Hello everyone, bonjour et bonsoir. Welcome back to the LOC channel. This is VEDA day 2, video every day in April. As promised, this is the first semi-long form. We're doing a repair on this beautiful client here who flew in to get her locks repaired and treated. So as you can see, this is all we have going on here. What we're working with, we have a lot of breakage, thinning, and the buildup you see here is a pomade I believe she told me she put in her hair. So we're going to use our ACV shampoo to clarify all of that out. And yes, we spell our ACV a little different just to protect ourselves legally, just so you guys know. But I love soaking long locks. Let me not say I, there's a whole team. We like soaking long locks because we like to wash it thoroughly. And the shaft of the hair usually doesn't get as much love when you wash it. So this is the consistency of our ACV. It's so pretty. This is after the wash. As you can see, it got all of that out. We're still in the process of the wash here. So this is after the wash. Her scalp has been oiled with our Omni oil. I'll add it somewhere in here. And this is what we're working with. I know it looks like a lot, but I am usually excited because look what we can turn it into. I cleaned up her parts, mapped out what I was gonna be doing, and then we got to crocheting. So we filled in the thin spots. Some of them we completely just replaced, some of them we filled in. Others we reattached where there was no lock. Cut her two-headed dragons. Two-headed dragons are where the locks merge and the end of the lock has two locks. So right there we would cut that off and replace it with something else. And like I said, right here where there completely was no lock because of severe breakage, we would just attach a lock or cut off one of the two headeds and attach it. This is the finished product right here. And voila. So satisfying. Loved her hair. She's been growing her hair for 15 years and she wanted to be able to keep her locks, and she just wanted to see if there was a chance she can keep them with a little love and care and repair. And I believe she will be just fine from here on. Her hair looks beautiful, very clean, very simple. We did do a lock bob after this, but I completely forgot to film that. It was a very cute lock bob with a bang. I forgot to film it, guys. Hairstylist's worst nightmare, but just know it was cute. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye guys.